Let's talk about the difference between a straight leg kick and a bent knee kick when we go big as far as the muscle activation is concerned. When I do a big straight leg kick, it's heart rate, I feel it in my quads, you can feel it a little bit in the back of my legs, but it's more about big, beautiful movement and it's more about cardio. When I do the bent knee action, the arms are a little bit different. It becomes a lot more about quads and a lot more about hamstrings because you've got to bend the knee and flex the knee as you perform the movement pattern. And you can accentuate that by making that more of a focus during the exercise. How do you make it more of a focus? Ask them to pull their heels up to their buttocks before they flick their feet forwards. So it becomes a heel kick, back kick, back kick. Rather than just sort of bending their knees a little bit to the front, they pull back and then they flick their leg forwards. To assist with that, ideally you also bend your elbows because it's easier from a coordination point of view if you bend the knees and bend the elbows at the same time. Just like with the straight leg kick, we also kept our arms straight. There's still torso rotation. Have another look at the hands and the torso. So I'm still rotating my torso, but the fingers are open and I'm pushing and pulling the water in and out. So both go out, both come in. Out, in, out, in, out, in. And it's the opposite arm to the leg that goes forwards. Opposite arm to the leg. So everything extends and bends at the same time. Fingers are open like a claw and you're pushing and pulling the water towards you.